Ready to pitch your tent on your next adventure? Before you pack up that camping gear, you might be wondering, can you actually bring a tent on a plane? Let's find out. Good news, campers! Tents are allowed in both your carry-on and checked baggage. If you've got a compact, lightweight tent, you can definitely take it in your carry-on, as long as it fits within the size limits. Just make sure it fits comfortably in your bag and doesn't set off any alarms. The TSA might want to take a closer look, so keep it easily accessible. If your tent is a bit bigger or you've got multiple pieces of gear, packing it in your checked baggage might be a better option. Just be sure to protect it from potential rough handling. Use some padding to keep it in good shape when it arrives. Here are some tips to make packing easier. Roll your tent tightly to save space, and consider packing it in a soft case to fit better in your bag. And remember, if your tent has stakes or poles, pack them securely to avoid any issues at security. Once you land, you'll be ready to set up camp in no time. Just check your gear for any damage and get ready for your outdoor adventure. So, can you bring a tent on a plane? Absolutely. Just pack it smartly and you'll be ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching. Got more travel questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy camping!